Hey friends, so we're going to change out the fog lamps also on my 99 Pontiac Grand Am. So I'm underneath here. We're at the right front headlamp, and these are going to take a basic cheap one 880 bulb here. Let's free it from its package. So these are a little bit harder to get at, but basically what I did, you can see the cord hanging down here. I pulled the other one out already. It's just a simple little turn to the, let's see, I think quarter turn to the left, either the left or right, freeze it. Anyways, so what we're going to do is careful again not to touch the bulb. We're going to just attach that to the wire. I found that the easiest way to do this seems like, oops, I'm sorry, that's a little hook needs to be on that part. It'll only plug in one way, so if you do it the wrong way, you can do it the right way. Okay, so that hooks, and it goes back up in here. So, like I was saying, the easiest way I found is just kind of do this blind. I'm going to grab this with my right hand here. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Alright, so let's come back out here. Alright, here we're looking at the headlamp. So from behind, that's why I say we're going blind. I'm basically feeling for the hole here. My hand's going up underneath here, and we're just trying to look through. Okay, so here we go. We're coming through with the bulb itself. I'm going to make sure it gets in there all the way. Should be coming through here. And you want it to go through, there's only one way it can go through basically. It's hard to see because my glass is a little, I'm basically rotating it, trying to get it go through the hole, and it's hard to see if I got the correct should go through, and then we can turn it. So I'm just kind of going by feel here because it's hard to get up underneath there. It looks like that's, oh, there we go, wait. My goodness, well, I thought this was going to be the easy way. But is there really any easy way? Trying to get that up in there. It should be going through there. And then we just simply turn it. Okay, we can see that it's coming through. I'm going to go look at my other bulb real quick and see if we can determine. Oh, okay, I gotcha. If we can check that out, I don't know. Well, you can't really see. It comes up at an angle, so it's not straight in. It's at an angle. You can't really see that now, unfortunately. But now I know what's going on. Oh, that was not cool. Got myself. Okay. So basically, it's going to come up at an angle. I was trying to put it in straight, so that's not going to fly. It's the tip's going to be up, kind of like that. Oops, I'm sorry. See how the bulb is kind of up? That's how it's going to be here. So we're going to kind of rotate it as we're putting it up there. And just trying to finesse it up into there. Did we get it? There we go. Okay, we got one part through, I believe. And then I pulled it back out. Difficult to do while I'm holding my recording device. There we go. We were through. Come on, buddy. It's kind of up like that. And I want to say that it goes like all the way up in there. Trying to find my whoo. It's nothing ever easy, is it? It sure came out of there easy though. Alright, so it goes up at an angle. Just trying to find the correct, I'm sorry, I've got a bad Alright, I'm going to pause this. Okay. Alright, so it's still hard to see, but it's kind of, you got to just keep twisting it until the main fat part is kind of toward the lower left there. And once you have it in there, then you just twist it. And that locks it in place. So it is right there. I'm going to see if it works, and I'll show you how to do the other one. It's just hard to see because of the lights are dirty, but we'll go to the other one here. Okay, friends, so there we are up underneath the left headlamp. I think I might have a fuse blown out because I changed the other one, and it didn't work. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to give you this view of this bulb. So I'm basically just reaching up on, oh, spider webs. Whew. That's not cool. I had a Black Widow on my car the other day. As you know, I captured it and I made some, well, I still have it. But last thing I want to do is grab onto a Black Widow, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I don't feel any more. Yeah, there's more webs up in there. Fortunately, I think they're more scared of you than you are of them, hopefully. If Black Widows get scared. I'm going to try to clear that out a little bit. Okay, so there's the bulb there, and I'm a little freaked out to reach up in there. I don't like spiders. I do, but I don't like them on me. Let's just do it. If I get bit, I get bit. Okay. So I'm grabbing onto it. I just reach up under there and just twist it a little bit. And it comes out as easy as pie. Alright, so where'd it go? I have my other bulb right here. That was pretty easy. I found that's the easiest way, is you're just reaching up under there and grabbing it. Now it's hanging down a little bit here, and we're just going to undo it. Sorry about the angle. I guess I'll just kind of talk while I'm doing this. It's hard to see. Okay, that pops right off of there. And it's right up in there. I don't think you guys can see it though, so I apologize. Anyways, we're going to get our other bulb out. I can show you that, I guess, kind of. Sorry, I'm laying down my side here. A little difficult. Come on. We're doing an unboxing of the basic 880 Sylvania light bulb here for 99 Pontiac Grand Am. And what's in the box? Yeah, okay. Did I just bend that? I hope not. Anyways, so there's a little doohickey right there. It looks like a little bent. Maybe I bent it. Nope. Okay. Sure, why not? Okay, it's the plug's right up here, unless the Black Widow took it. There it is. And I'll give you a little angle here after I get this plugged on. There. Okay. So I'll show you what I'm seeing here. There it is right there. So we're going to look at the bulb as we put it up in there, hopefully. So as you can see, this one's got like, it's kind of a bigger one, and then two smaller little tabs on there. So I want the bigger one to kind of be up in the corner, and what I'm going to do is go blind. I'm not going to go blind, you know what I mean. I'm going to be holding this right here while we're looking at here. That's where I'm looking at. So I'm just kind of, I'm feeding that bulb in from the back. So I'm not looking from the back, I'm looking from here. So we see the top of it coming up through there, and we want to turn it. Remember, these go in perfect, just like that. That's how you want it set. See how it's kind of up at an angle there? And then we're just gonna, well, hypothetically, we're just gonna give it a little twist and it would lock into place. But nothing's ever easy, is it? My goodness, did that get damaged or something? Because that is... That is just spinning around in there. What the? Okay, it's not supposed to do that. Well, fiddlesticks. Is that even in there? That's what we have to guess. Is it in there or not? So what if that... It's up in there. It's spinning completely around. Well, my friends... I got the same exact bulb, and I wonder if it'll just stay there. I don't know if it got damaged or what, if someone tried to pull it out. The other one came out, right? I'm going to try the other bulb. I'm just going to try to stick it up in there and lock it in place and see if I can get that to do that or not. Here comes the old one. La da 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 da. And... Alright, there's the big part. That appears to be able to lock into place. Yes, it does. So, what is different with this bulb? Let's take a look-see, shall we? It doesn't have the rubber part under there? Is it supposed to have a rubber part? Oh my goodness. Why doesn't it have a rubber part? Oh yeah. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So, this one, note the rubber seal here. And that one doesn't have it. I don't know if it's supposed to come with it. I think the other one did, but that one doesn't have it. So I took the little rubber seal off. I put the little rubber seal on. I touched the bulb. I know, that's probably not a good thing. Pretty sure the other one came with a rubber seal there. Okay, let's look at it. Check it out. We got the rubber seal. Now, let's see. Nothing's ever easy, is it? Let's get back up in there. Okay, so where's our big ones? Right there. And then we simply turn it to the left, and it fits just like that. Okay, so there we go, my friends. That's how we do that. And I think I need to change a fuse to get it actually to work. Okay, my friends, I realize I say friends a lot. So if you have a Pontiac Grand Am, 99 through, I think 2005, possibly, I just changed out my fog lights, and I went to check them. As you can see, my headlights work fine. I just changed out my headlights too, and the fog lights. But when I went to turn on the fog lights here, nothing happened. There's no light coming out. So I figured, well, blast, I'm going to have to, you know, change a fuse or something. But I did try this first, and this worked. So what you need to do is simply place your key in the ignition and turn it in the on position. That's really annoying. Anyways, now when you turn on your fog lamps, let's see, they are off. Once you turn on your lights, boom, there's those ones. There you go. Now when you turn on your fog lamps, they will come on. So I just assumed that they would all come on when you turned, just because the other ones did, but it's not so with the fog lamps. Your ignition needs to be on the on switch, or your engine running. Obviously I'm not running it in the garage here. So the fog lamps were great. There they are. All my lights are working good now. I hope this saves you guys some time in trying to discover why your fog lights aren't working if you're testing them out and don't have the key of the ignition. That is why. So I'm going to go ahead and turn those off, turn that off, and I hope this saves some people some time out there. So remember, your fog lights won't come on unless the ignition's on. Thanks for watching, my friends. We'll see you next video.